Hello guys, today I've got Motorola Vervebuds 250 and I'm going to show you how you can easily manage the mono audio. So how to do that? You need to at first open the settings and here connections, then Bluetooth. On some other devices than Samsung, it should be either just Bluetooth or connected devices. Make sure that your earbuds are paired. Once they are, go back again, and here scroll down to the accessibility. Here we've got accessibility, and now once you're here, you need to tap hearing enhancements. As you can see, mono audio is right here. We can enable it and disable it. Enable, disable. That's it. Goodbye.